back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my linguine with smoked brats. A really quick, very fast dish, this one. Really simple and inexpensive. Alright, so here I've got some brats, I've got some linguine, some olive oil, can of tomatoes, and a bit of fresh garlic. And all we're going to do now, I'm going to prep what I need to there, while Mrs. KP is getting ready to cook linguine. Nice hot pan, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil into a pan, just like that. Okay, we're going to get a little bit of heat happening there, and I'm going to add in the 400-gram can of diced tomatoes. That can go straight in as well, just like that. And all we need to do now is get that tomato up to a bit of heat and start cooking down. It's a very nice light dish, ideal for spring or early summer. Right, so stir that tomato around from time to time, and we're getting ready now. I'm going to throw those brats in. That's about 5 or 6 brats. They're already cooked. All we need to do, slice them up, let them come up to a little bit of temperature. You can use a hot dog, you could even use a chorizo sausage if you want to. Alright, freshly ground black pepper, that can go straight in just like that. Really nice and simple. As much of the pepper or little as you like. Okay, Mrs. KP's already got that linguine starting to cook, and I need to get a hurry on. Okay, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, fresh of course, that is going in. This is going to be quite a powerful type of dish. Very few ingredients, lots and lots of flavour. Give all of that a bit of a stir, just like that. Get all that heat happening into our beautiful slices of brats. Right, very easy to do. And if you haven't tried cooking with smoked brats before, or doing a real quick easy linguine dish like this before, why not? It is so simple to do. A little bit of dried parsley, because that's all I have. All my herb garden is dead. Bit of fresh, bit of sea salt flakes, they can go straight in as well, just to taste. Just be careful, those brats could be salty, and we don't want to have an over salted dish. A little bit more extra virgin olive oil, just to give it a nice little bit of glossiness when we're done. Give that a bit more of a stir, just like that. And Mrs. KP is almost done with that linguine. She is. And that linguine can go straight into our pan, just like that. Okay, and if you want to make your sauce a little bit lighter, you can add some of that pasta liquor in with the sauce. I'm just going to keep this the way it is. I'm really happy with the way it's turning out. Get that linguine turned through all of that tomato and the brat juice that might be coming out, the brat fat that might be coming out. Just give all of that a little bit of a stir through, just like that. And it's going to take no time at all now, and we'll be able to serve this up. Right, how quick and easy was that? I timed this on a separate kitchen timer. It took us about 9.5 minutes. Right, serve up some of your linguine. Make sure you get some sausage. Make sure you get some that tomato sauce all over the linguine, and make sure you get it all over the plate and all over the bench. Otherwise, you are not doing it correctly. Okay, so before you know it, we're going to have your own beautiful linguine with smoked brats. Serve that up with a little bit of shaved pecorino or parmesan cheese. I'll leave that one up to you. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known as KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And please leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a really fast Mediterranean style dish just like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll eat my linguine with smoked brats, and I will catch you next time. Bye.